Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make the crochet worry worm. This is a very simple pattern to work with, and it is worked in chains and double crochet with the stitching of increases. Shall we begin? Materials needed to crochet the worry worm is a 4.00 millimeter crochet hook, scissors, and yarn ball color of your choice. So to start our crochet, we need to start it with a slip knot, which should look like this when you've completed it. In order to do so, you're going to wrap around your finger twice, take the back loop over the front, and take the new back loop over your finger like so. Pull both strings to cinch it tight, and there you go. There's your slip knot. I'll show you one more time. Wrap around your finger twice. Take back loop over the front loop, and take the new back loop over your finger and pull both strings to cinch it tight. Now you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to insert it into the slip knot and pull the long and short string to cinch it a little close to the crochet hook. You want this much room in between your crochet hook and the yarn. Now, in order to start the base of your worry worm, you need to start with a chain. So you loop over and pull through. Loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through, loop over, and pull through. You need a total of 24. I just did 4, so I only need to do 20 more. I'll see you guys when we end. Once you have done 24 chains, your chain should look like this. In order to start the next part of this worry worm, you need to look here at your chain. Do you all see the V's? Like this, 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 and this. Well, you're going to want to take from the first V, which is right where my thumb is, this one right here, and count from 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So you need to know how to read chains in order to do this pattern and any pattern for a crochet. You're then going to loop over, insert your hook into the fourth V from hook, loop over again, pull through. Okay, 1, 2, 3 stitches, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, and pull through 2 more. Let's do that in the same stitch right here 3 more times. So loop over, go into the same stitch you just did, loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2. We only need to do that 2 more times into this big loop right here. Loop over, go in, loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through 2, and loop over and pull through the last 2. One more time. Loop over, go in, loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now, for the next part, you want to find the next V, which is right here. You're going to do the exact same thing as what you did right here. So loop over, go in, loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2, in the next stitch. Do that 3 more times into the same stitch. Now, when you are done with the 3, you can open it up like this and see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 into that stitch. That's how many you want in each stitch. Is 4 double crochets is what this stitch is called, where you loop over, go into the stitch, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2, and loop over and pull through 2. That's the double crochet. And you want to continue doing 4 double crochets in each stitch till the second last chain. So continue to do that, and I will see you when we get there. Okay, once you've reached the end of the second last stitch, you're now going to work 9 double crochets into this last stitch. So you're going to loop over, go in, loop over, pull through, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2. But before you do the 9, there's a specific way I do this to weave in this end so it doesn't pop out. So I'm going to do 2 and start my third like so. And then I'm going to loop this behind on the third and then continue with the third. So I'll show that again. So I've done my 2 in the little last stitch. I'm going to loop over, go in, loop over, pull through, stop, take my string, pull it behind the worry worm, then loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to take this and hold it like this. Okay. Then I'm going to loop over and continue to work while weaving in that end. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochets into that last stitch. So now your worry worm should look something like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look down here on the side and find this part right here. You can go in either this one or this one. I like to go in this one, and I'm going to do a slip stitch. So loop over, pull through, and just pull through. That way it makes a nice flat finish. Then I'm going to take the string that we weaved in and pull it to make that little hole right here smaller. Now what you can do is cut the yarn. Take the end that you just cut, loop over, pull through. Loop over, pull through, and pull it all the way through. And then pull it tight so it doesn't come undone. Now we're going to weave in our ends where we go insert the hook, loop over with both, and pull through. Insert the hook, loop over with both strings, and pull through. Insert the hook, loop over, and pull through, and we're going to do that for as many times as we can. I normally don't do the whole thing because I have to work down the worry worm. I just like to do like 5 to 6 stitches at the top, so that way the string doesn't come off and the project won't come undone. Because if you leave the strings out and someone cuts it too low to the project, it can come all undone. Take your scissors and cut at the base of the string, and there you have it. You have your very first crocheted worry worm. I do hope I helped you learn how to make a worry worm, and I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!